Hi friends, myself Mauli Karpanchar from Pioneer School of Science, Golapur, Patan. In this video lecture 4, we try to solve example of exercise 1.2. First example, which of the following are example of null set? Find null set. First, set of odd natural number divisible by 2. Set of natural numbers divisible by 2. Natural numbers which are divisible by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8 up to infinity. That means these are infinite set. Null set, this is not null set because these have numbers. Null set, definition of null set is a set which have no members or no elements is called null set. But here the members include, that means this is not null set. If this question is set of odd natural numbers which are divisible by 2. Odd natural numbers is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 up to infinity. But these all numbers are not divisible by 2. That means if set of odd natural numbers divisible by 2, then the set is null set or 5. Okay, friends, first question. Second question, set of even prime numbers. Even prime numbers, first prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 up to infinity. But even, which even? 2. 2 is only even prime number. That means in set 2, this is not null set because it have one members, is not null set. Third question, in set builder form, x such that x is a natural number such that x less than 5 and x greater than 7. We find x such that x less than 5 and x greater than 7. X less than 5 means x is 4, 3, 2, 1, and greater than 7 means 8, 9, 10 up to infinity. That means no x such that x less than 5 and x greater than 7. Means these sets have no members or no elements. That means is called null set. Fourth, y such that y is a common point between two parallel lines. Y is the common point between two parallel lines. We draw parallel lines. We know that parallel line doesn't intersect. That means they have no common point. Parallel lines have no common points. That means this set is also null set. Okay, dear friends, this is the first question. In first question, for also question, we find which are null set or not null set. You take screenshot of this screen. Second question, which of the following sets are finite or infinite? Means finite and infinite or infinite. To find finite or infinite set. First question, the set of months of a year. We know months of a year, total months, 12 months. That means this set have definite number of members is called finite set. If any set have definite number of member is called finite set. That means first is the finite set. Second, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. This is the set of natural numbers. We know that every mathematical set is infinite set, and number of member is not definite numbers. That means it is infinite set. Third, 1, 2, 3 up to 1, 2, 3 up to 99, 100. That means these set have definite number of members because these set have ends with number, not infinite. This set ends with infinite and this set ends with numbers. This that means this set have definite number, means is called finite set. Set of positive integers greater than 100, greater than 100. Fourth question, the set of positive integers greater than 100 means greater than 100 means 101, 102 up to infinity. Means the set is 101, 102, 103 up to infinity. That means this set have not definite numbers, means is called infinite set. If question is the set of positive integer less than 100, means what 1 to 99, 1 2 3 comma up to 99, means this question, if this question is greater means less होता है इधर, then the this set have definite number of members is called finite set. If here less than 100, then this set is finite set. Here greater than 100, this set is infinite set. Fifth, the set of prime number less than 99. The set of prime numbers less than 99. Prime number less than 99. We know 2, 3, 5 up to 97. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 up to 97. That means this set have definite number of members is called finite set. If here greater than 99 in place of less, greater than, this set have not definite number of members. Greater than 99 infinite members, that means is called infinite set. But here less than 99, this means these have that have definite number of members is called finite set. Please take the screenshot of this second question. Third question, state following sets are finite or infinite. In first question, the set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. The set of lines which are parallel to x-axis. We draw parallel to x-axis. This is x-axis and this y-axis. We know that parallel to x-axis, that means these all lines are parallel to x-axis. These all lines also parallel to x-axis. That means infinite lines which are parallel to x-axis up to here infinity and up to here infinity. That means these sets are infinite sets because these sets have not definite number of members. Second question, the set of letters of English alphabet. Collection of letters of English alphabet. Set of letters of English alphabet. We know that number of English alphabet, number of letters in English alphabet is 26. That means this set have definite number of members is called finite set. Third question, the set of numbers which are multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 up to infinity. The set of numbers which are multiple of 5 means 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 up to infinity. That means this set have not definite number of members, means is infinite set. If this question is the set of numbers which are multiple of 5 less than 100, that means this set have definite number of members. Less than 100 means 5 to 95. 5 to 95. डेफिनेट नंबर कब होगा? जब लेस देन वर्ड्स आएगा तब उसको क्या कहेंगे? फाइनाइट सेट हो जाएगा. ठीक है. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, the set of animals living on the earth. We can't count the animals living on the earth, but number of animals living on the earth is definite. That means the set is finite set, because number of animals living on the earth is definite number, not infinite number. That means this called finite set. Fifth, the set of circles which passing through the origin we know that circle passing through the only one point is infinite circles. Means number of circle which pass through one point is infinite circle. Means if here one point this type of circle is infinite circle which passes through the common point of single point. सिंगल पॉइंट में से पास हो जाए ऐसे सर्कल कितने होंगे? इनफाइनाइट होंगे. दैट मीन्स दिस सेट इज इनफाइनाइट. इफ हियर पॉइंट 1 2 in place of 0 0, then 1 2 is only it also 1 point. 1 पॉइंट में से कितने सर्कल पास होंगे? इनफाइनाइट होते. Here 0 0 1 2 2 1 एनी नंबर एनी पॉइंट. लेकिन सर्कल तो कितने पास होंगे? सर्कल पास थ्रू वन पॉइंट इज इनफाइनाइट. दैट मीन्स this is not a specific origin for 0 0, but on any point the set of circle which passing through the any one point is infinite set. Here any point taken, this set is infinite set because circle passing through one point is infinite numbers. Okay dear friends, this is the third question. Please take the screenshot of the question. Fourth question, in the following state, whether A equal B or not. First question, A equal to and B equal to DCBA. In set A, members are A, B, C, D, and in set B, members are A, B, C, D. That means both sets have common and same number of members. That means this is called A equal to B. Second, and B equal to we find A equal B or A not equal to B. 4, 8, 12, 16 are members of A, but members of B is 8, 4, 16, 18. 4 including B, 8 both including both, 12 not including both, because 12 belongs to A but 12 does not belongs to B. That means all the members of A and B are not same. That means A does not equal to B. Third question, A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and B equal to X such that X is a even natural numbers less than where X less than or equal to 10. A is in tabular form but B is not in tabular form, B is in set builder form. First find tabular form of B is even natural number less than or equal to 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Members of A and members of B are clearly shown. Both members are same. Both have members are same. That means A equal to B. Fourth, A equal to 10, 15. X such that X is a multiple of 10 and B equal to 10, 15, 20, 25 up to infinity. In fourth question is in set builder form. First find the tabular form of A. Multiple of 10, 10, 20, 30, 40 up to infinity. But members of B is 10, 15. 15 is not including A. 25 is not including B. A, that means members of A and B are not same. That means A does not equal to B. Okay, dear friends, please take the screenshot of solution of fourth question. Fifth question, are the following pair of sets are equal? First, A equal to 2 and 3, B equal to x such that x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. In first question, A is in tabular form but B is not in tabular form. First, find of B in tabular form. Here equation is given x square plus 5x plus 6. This is the quadratic equation. We know that how to solve this equation. First, multiplication of 1 and 6 is positive number 6. We find to factor of 6 such that addition of them is 5. We know 2 multiplied by 3 is 6, but 2 plus 3 is 5. That means by splitting method, x square plus 2x plus 3x plus 6 equal to 0. Common from x square plus 2x is x in bracket x plus 2 plus common from 3x plus 6 is 3 in bracket x plus 2. Another common x plus 2 in bracket x plus 3 equal to 0. That means x plus 2 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. Means members of set B is minus 2 and minus 3. Tabular form of B is in curly brace minus 2 comma minus 3. Clearly so that members of A and members of B is not same, are not same, that means A not equal to B. Second question, A equal to and B equal to y such that y is a letter of wolf. First, find both set in tabular form. A equal to letters of follow F, comma O, comma L. Another L is not included in A. O is not included in W. We know that 2 time letter is non included in set. B, W, comma O, comma L, comma F. Clearly find both set have same members FOLW, FOLW. That means this set is equal set, means A equal to B. Okay. Please take the screenshot of example 5 solution. Sixth question. In sixth question, we find equal sets. A equal to 2, 4, 8, 12. One, two, three, four. T equal to from these sets we find equal sets. Members of B is 1, 2, 3, 4 and members of D is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means B and D are equal sets. B equal to D. And also members of E is minus 1 and 1. And members of G is 1 and minus 1. That means members of E and G are same. Means E and G are equal set. E equal to G. Very simple questions. Okay, dear friends. Finishes the lecture now. And thank you very much for watching this video lecture.